Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Maytals Crescent towards Maytals Close in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Turning onto Maytals Close. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and Maytals Close is named after the Maytals, known from 1972 to 2020 as Toots and the Maytals. The Maytals, known from 1972 to 2020 as Toots and the Maytals, are a Jamaican musical group, one of the best known ska and rocksteady vocal groups. The Maytals were formed in the early 1960s and were key figures in popularizing reggae music. Frontman Toots, who died in 2020, was considered a reggae pioneer on par with Bob Marley. His soulful vocal style was compared to Otis Redding and led him to be named by Rolling Stone as one of the 100 greatest singers. To the right is Maytals Close Community Park. After Ibert's death, the Maytals indicated that they would continue as a working group. To learn more about the Maytals, please check the video description. Making a U-turn back to Maytals Crescent. We are back on Maytals Crescent. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.